Hey guys, today we're going to do lesson 76 and learn about murmur diphthong AR. Here we see our vowels A, E, O, U, and I. When each of these vowels is followed by the letter R, it creates a new vowel sound. So we have AR, ER, OR, UR, and IR. These are the 5 main vowels in English. So there are 5 different spellings for these new vowel sounds, but there are only 3 different sounds. These sounds are called murmur diphthongs. And today we're going to start with AR and learn about AR. And remember, Miss Paget always said it's like the pirate saying R. So when we see murmur diphthong AR in a word, we're going to X the vowel and then arc the A and R together. The arc holds the 2 letters together, showing that together they make a new vowel sound. The sound of the AR murmur diphthong is the same as saying the name of the letter R. So listen for the AR in these words: charm, far, large. Let's practice proving a word that has murmur diphthong AR. This word is farm. So the first thing we're going to do when we prove this word is X the AR, or X the A, arc the AR. And so this says F, the AR says R, and the M says farm. We grew corn on our farm. Let's practice spelling some words with the murmur diphthong AR. Let's start by spelling the word scarf. So we hear a blend at the beginning of scarf. We hear the SC blend, and then we hear the R, the AR, and then we hear the F sound at the end. So that's how you spell the word scarf, SCARF. Now let's prove this word. We first have to arc the SC, XRA, arc the AR blend, and then we have the word scarf. When it is cold, I wear a scarf. So remember, that letter F is not a guardian because we have the murmur diphthong AR. And so we don't mark AR long or short. We just know it makes the sound R, exit, and we arc it. All right, now let's look at another word. Let's mark under this word from left to right. So we're going to X the A, arc the AR, X the E. Now we have 2 vowels. So this is a 2-syllable word. So we're going to come after the AR, and we have 1 consonant, so one must run. So we're going to split the word right there. And we don't have to do anything to the AR. We just need to do something to the E here. And it follows phonetic skill 1, so it's short. Our first syllable says car. Our second syllable says pet. We put it together, and the word is carpet. Say carpet. The juice spilled onto the new white carpet. All right, let's look at another word. We are going to X the AR, the A, arc the AR, and we're going to X the I. Now we're going to come back because there are 2 working vowels to the AR, and look, there are 2 consonants following the AR, so we're going to split between the C and the T. It follows decoding skill 2. We don't have to do anything to the first because it's got the AR, and then the second syllable follows phonetic skill 1, so that I is short. The first syllable says arc, the second syllable says tick. The word is Arctic. Say Arctic. And remember that we don't have to do anything to the AR. The C is not a guardian. The AR is X'd and arced. All of the snow this season has made it an Arctic winter. All right, now let's learn how to add suffixes to words with murmur diphthong AR. So we have this word star. Let's prove it. We're going to arc the ST, X the A, and arc the AR. And then when we add a suffix to the murmur diphthong, we need to look at the murmur diphthong. Are there any letters that follow the murmur diphthong? There are not. So when adding suffixes to words ending with just the murmur diphthong, you must add another R and then add the suffix. So we're going to rewrite the word star, add another R, and then add ing to make starring, and make sure you underline your ing. She was starring in the school play. Let's look at another example where the murmur diphthong is not at the end. So we're going to X the A, arc the AR. This word is park. Now the murmur diphthong is not at the end of the word. There's a consonant following it. So if there is a consonant that follows the murmur diphthong at the end of the base word, we will just add the suffix. So we're going to make this word parked. We're going to write the word park and add the suffix ed and underline it. She parked the car in the driveway. All right, let's read some murmur diphthong words. So this is AR, R, AR, R, AR, R. Yard, bark, shark, start, yarn, charm, spark, parch, charge, scar, garbage, argue, carpet, sharpen, party, smartest, charming, darker, started, alarming. Carlos has a scar on his arm. Prince Charming was alarmed by the barking dog. The garden produced a nice harvest for the farmer. Darby was smart to start home before it got dark. Remember that AR says R.